Hello there, my little friends. I am Bella, your storyteller for tonight. Are you ready to embark on an amazing adventure? Great. Once upon a time, in a magical village called Lollipop Land, there lived a young girl named Rosie. She had a peculiar problem. She couldn't stop hiccuping. This made her life quite amusing, but also a little troublesome. One day, Rosie's best friend, Timmy, the talking turtle, came up with a brilliant idea. "Rosie, let's go see Professor Zephyr. He knows all about magical remedies," he exclaimed. Together, they journeyed through candy canes and marshmallow clouds until they reached Professor Zephyr's floating treehouse. With a twinkle in his eye, the wise old professor said, "Dear Rosie, to cure your hiccups, you must find the legendary giggleberry fruit in the mirthful meadows." Rosie and Timmy set off on their quest, meeting amusing creatures along the way. They encountered Frankie the fancy frog, who said in a pompous tone, "If you want to find the giggleberry, you must first pass my tickle test." After much laughter and tickling, they finally found the giggleberry tree. But there was a catch. The tree was guarded by a stern yet comical squirrel named Nutty. "Answer my riddles 3, and the giggleberry you shall see," he said mischievously. Rosie and Timmy put their thinking caps on and solved Nutty's riddles. As they bit into the giggleberry, laughter filled the air, and Rosie's hiccups vanished. With grateful hearts, they bid farewell to their new friends and returned to Lollipop Land. From that day onwards, Rosie never hiccuped again and became the village's giggliest resident. And the lesson we learn, my dear friends, is to always approach problems with a dash of humor. Laughter is indeed the best medicine. The end.